Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So, in this situation, I will put about yc. That is about complementary solution. And that is about s to the power of n. Later that, we do first derivative of this one. We have an s to the power of n minus 1. Next, we do second derivative of this one. We have n minus 1 s to the power of n minus number 2. Now, because this is about complementary, so with this, we put this one equals to number 0. And now, I will put this one gone here. So that's about s to the power of n gone here. Similar for this one gone here. And this one gone here. And now we have the new one in here. Next, we have s to the power of 2 multiplied by this one, s multiplied by this one. So we have s to the power of n. So we have s to the power of n. Similar for this one in here. We can do about factorization. So we put this one equals to number 0. So we have n squared minus n plus 9n in here. We simplify and we have 8n. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have n equals to negative number 4 plus the square root of 26. And n equals to negative number 4 negative of the square root of 26. And now we have yc in here. That should be about c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, s to the power of n. So we need to change n into this one. And then we have c number 2. That is about the constant number 2, s to the power of negative number 4, negative of the square root of 26. And now, let's go to the next one. That is about particular solution. So we see that we have 5 over s to the power of 3. So I will put yb equal to as to the power of negative number 3, because we just convert 1 over s to the power of 3 into s to the power of negative number 3. Now if I do first derivative of this one, we have negative number 3as to the power of negative number 4. And now if I do second derivative of this one, we have negative number 4 and negative number 3. We have 12. And now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, x to the power of 2 with x to the power of negative number 5. We have x to the power of negative number 3, x and negative number 4. We have negative number 3. So we have 12a minus 27 and negative number 10. We combine together in here. And we have negative number 25a x to the power of negative number 3. So in this situation, we have negative number 25a equals to number 5. And we divide both sides by negative number 25. And we have the final answer. So we put a equals to negative 1 over 5 gone here. And now we combine the answer in here. So we have yc plus yp. So yc, we have this one. And yp, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.